Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this green screen video transition on CapCut PC. So have a friend like videotape yourself shooting like a green screen on your phone. So download firstly a green screen on your phone and have a friend record you like this. And like add a green screen here when it's like super zoomed in. So you're just going to do that, and I'm just going to freeze the frame at the end here. Actually, you don't really need to, so let me just undo that. Then you're going to select a video of your choice. Maybe it's like a video of you traveling or showing around the city or something like that. I'm just going to show this. Actually, I'll just show this one. So select the video, select the green screen, and then select remove background, select chroma key, select this like green area, and you're going to adjust the intensity, but not too much. Just make sure the green is gone. I just added like a little bit of shadow. I'm just trying my best here. And then obviously I'm going to make this like a little bit bigger, like the video. And that's pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.